If your Apple CarPlay is refusing to connect to your Hyundai Accent, don't rush to the dealer just yet. Statistically, 80% of connectivity issues are caused by faulty cables or minor software glitches rather than hardware failure. Let's walk through the steps to get your phone talking to your car again. Start by swapping your cable for an official Apple one, then check your iPhone's screen time settings to ensure CarPlay isn't restricted. If that fails, check for physical debris in your phone's charging port or check if your Hyundai head unit needs a firmware update. More advanced fixes include resetting your iPhone's network settings or performing a soft reset on the car's infotainment system. Try these home remedies before paying for a diagnostic fee at the dealership. As you can see, cables are overwhelmingly the most common point of failure. If you suspect outdated software, visit the official Hyundai Update portal to download the latest firmware for your specific trim. Keep a spare certified cable in your glove box and a clean USB drive ready for potential system updates. Always remember that technology is only as reliable as the connection it runs on, so start with the cable. If these steps didn't solve your issue, drop your specific model year in the comments and we will try to help.